Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, happy Independence Day. Today we're going to test out an American flag on a drone, the hs600d. Why don't you check it out? I just masking taped it on the side there. Got a couple. It was only $1 and a little piece of masking tape. But anyway, without further ado, let's get her up there and see how it'll perform with a flag attached. There we go. Thanks for watching. Once again, happy Independence Day, everybody. Very cool. Looks like I can lean all the way forward and not get in the props, so I think it's good. Nice. Very cool. I use my controls, but it doesn't. Just a little note to self. Very cool. Alright, one more victory lap with the flag. USA, USA. Once again, everybody, celebrate the 4th safely. Thank you all so much for helping me get to 10,000 subscribers. That's amazing. Never thought it would be possible, but I'm there. There you have it, guys. The hs600d. Check them out. My favorite drone so far. Made by Holy Stone. Hard to beat. All right, we'll bring it in for a landing, and then we'll get on to the wind test. Almost. There we have it, guys. All right, hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Peace. Hi guys, Dave Dare. We're going to test the hs600d in this high wind. I don't know if you can see it moving in the trees. It's an anemometer. Oh wow, 15 miles per hour, maybe a little more. Let's see what it can do. Wish me luck. There's the remote, GPS mode. There we go, starting the motors. Wow. Got it leaning, but it's fighting it and it's holding its position. How about that? Hopefully you can see the anemometer at the same time. 14 and a half, 15 miles per hour, 15.5. Wow, look at that. Incredible. Super high winds. Wow, I had my doubts. I didn't think it was possible. That's incredible. Unbelievable. Well, let's see if we can get it up higher. That's up there above the trees. It's in the full amount of wind. Let me take this off of my neck here. died down some, but man, we had gusts of 16 miles per hour and it was holding its own. Let's go for a little cruise. I think that's even in camera mode. Let's see. Yes, it was in camera mode. Now it's in sport mode. Impressive. Flying around in some crazy high winds for a drone to be in my opinion. Super impressive. Whoa, birds. Those birds about got chopped. Wow, that is so cool. Man, that wind is really picking up. I can't even get the full amount. I'm in the trees here. Let me move out here a little bit. That's even higher up there, I'm sure. It's only reaching 7 right here. Very cool. You can see them trees moving. It's really gusting now. And 11. There's up to 12 miles per hour is what I've got that on. Look at that thing just holding its own. Very cool. All right. Still move forward into the wind right there. That holds its position. Very cool. All right, I think that's passed the test. Impressive. See if I can hit the landing pad in the wind. It's gonna be a challenge. Oh, close enough. Very cool. Wow. That's an hs600d fighting that high wind with them trees. Very cool. You can probably hear it in the microphone. You guys have a good day. Thanks.